I purchased this, a LinkUP PCIe extension card. My existing one is a Corsair version 3.0. This one's a 4.0. I'm hoping to see some improvement, but it's mainly for aesthetic reasons. The Corsair is quite, cable is quite long. This one's only 20 centimeters and should be just long enough to handle it. On Minecraft I was getting 352 frames per second. On Fortnite here I'm getting 206 frames per second. This is what it looks like by LinkUP, purchased from Amazon. I'm gonna put this in. The 2021 model. So anyway, removing the two 8-pin power connectors from the graphics card. Screws from the backing plate, and as you can see, the Corsair one comes out quite long. It actually sometimes sits on top of the fan and making it crackle, hitting the fan. That's the Corsair PCIe 3.0. Not sure if you can see everything there. So installing the new LinkUP version. Just make sure it clicks like there. That click there needs to click on. So it's connected and won't come off. So now I'm putting the graphics card back on. After this I'm going to boot up into BIOS, go to settings and change the PCIe settings back to 4.0. It was set at auto originally. I changed to Gen 3 because the PCIe extension cable by Corsair was 3.0, and leaving it at 4.0 or auto did not work because the graphics card was 4.0 and the motherboard set it at 4.0, but nothing was coming on screen. So here it's set to Gen 4 as default, not auto. And in Minecraft I'm getting 376 frames per second, and Fortnite I'm getting 215, 216 frames per second.